Coba bunda. Aku. Coba bunda tu.
So here in Cox's Bazaar, I came here with Akash to improve photography and also discover this part of Bangladesh. Oh, yeah. And of course there is the willingness of people to be photographed. And it's endless, the portraiture and cultural. So I'm using leading lines here and then trying to get as much as I can in the frame with the context of the boat in the background. Assalamu alaikum bhaiya. Alhamdulillah. Nandebat. And it's an incredible experience because not only you have the richness of the visuals, but also you have the richness of the interaction with people. And you know, it's from their heart that they give you their portraits. So if you look this way, you'll see how much boats are coming here to unload the fish. There's about 10 to 18 people on each of these boats. And they go from sometime for 6 or 8 days to fish on the plain ocean with these boats. Can you imagine living on these boats for that long? Here is my friend, the net thrower. Salam alaikum bhaiya. Selfie. Selfie. So, as always in photography, you know, to try to make things interesting. That was not a very interesting shot because it was just standing. So I'm going to try to get him to get the very close, and then once I have the close, I'll do the wide shot. The light is not good, so I'm going to turn around and get him a little bit like this. Always the boat in the context in the background. And I'm going to follow him and see what he does. I have some good frames of him throwing his net. And if you can see what he's bringing back, he's going to bring 10 fishes like this. So it's very hard here. I think it's enough.